Hey techies, this is Abbas from Coders Yard. In this video, we are going to see nested if statement. So before that, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's go back to the topic. So friends, what are nested if statements? When you have a if block within another if block, you call it as nested if statement. Let me show you that. Friends, this is the outer if block and this is the inner if block. If the outer if block's condition gets satisfied, it will execute the inner if block, or else it will go straight away to the else part in the outer if block. So let me tell you an example. If a guy wants to see his favorite movie in a theater, and then he will check the availability of seats. If the seats are available, he will book a ticket. Else, he must wait for the next show. If imagine like he's not even interested in watching a movie, then he will not go to the theater and check the availability of seats. Else, he'll sit home and do whatever he wants. Now let's quickly see some hands-on for this. Hey friends, we are all in lockdown and all the programs are cancelled and including the cricket matches, right? Hold on. We came here to learn programming and where the hell cricket is came from? Friends, in this video, we are taking cricket as an example. Some people are not aware of cricket rules. For them, let me tell you in short. Imagine if a bowler is bowling and the batsman hits really hard. Now, the ball is in the air. There are two chances. If the fielder catches the ball, then the batsman is out. Or if the fielder drops the ball, then the batsman is not out. Okay, now let me try this in if statement. Let me say as fielder catches the ball. So if the fielder, say suppose he catches the ball, then the batsman is gone. So batsman is out. Say if the fielder drops the ball, then the batsman is safe. That is, he's not out. So let me run the script. Before that, I'm saving it as, say it as conditional Python. So let me run the script and see the batsman is out. What if the fielder drops the catch? So, and now the batsman is not out. Friends, now let me try nested if statement. So nested if statement is like a if block inside another if block, right? For that, we need one more condition like, well, the bowler is now bowling a normal delivery. That is, he is not bowling a no ball. So, if the bowler is bowling a normal delivery, say then if the fielder catches the batsman gone, else he's safe, right? So let me run the script. Oh, we got an indentation error. So the inner if block is inside the outer if block, right? So we need to give a one tab space and this print statement is inside this inner if block. So for that we have to give one tab space and this else statement is inside the outer if block, right? So that we have to give the indentation, and likewise this print statement is inside this else, so we are giving a indentation. So let me run the script and see the batsman is not out because the fielder drops the catch. So now there is a twist. What if a bowler has a bad day? Yes, we all have bad days, like if the bowler bowls a no ball, say let me say it as no ball, and if this happens, there is no point if the fielder catches or drops the ball. So I'm using an else statement like print It's a no ball. So no ball. The batsman is safe. Batsman is safe. So now the bowler is bowling a no ball. The Python will check whether it's a no ball or not. If it's a normal delivery, then there is a point to check if the fielder catches the ball or drops it. Else there is no point, right? Let me run the script. And see, it's a no ball. The batsman is safe. So let me change it as the fielder catches the ball, and now the bowler bowls the normal delivery. So let me run the script and see, the now the batsman is out. Friends, it's really fun to learn programming, right? So try your own examples and let me know in the comment section. So now let us go for the takeaway for this session. Friends, there are some important things to note from this session. Nested if statement means if statement is placed inside another if statement or nested inside another if statement. The inner if blocks gets executed only when the outer if block condition gets satisfied. So thank you for watching this video. Keep watching this channel for more Python videos.